how to fix Life360 something went wrong. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, I suggest going into the App Store and just making sure that you have the most up-to-date version of the app. So I'm going to search for Life360 here. Click on Life360. If it says update, you just want to click on update to get the current version. Once you have updated the app, see if that fixes the issue for you. If it still doesn't, we can proceed to the second tip that I can give you. Here, you will just go into your phone settings, search for iPhone storage, and we want to locate the app from within our storage. So here, I'm just gonna sort it by name, and we will search for Life360. So just go into L here, just gonna find it. Okay, I'm gonna pause and come back once I find it. Okay, so I found the app, Life360. You wanna click on the app itself, then you will offload the application. Next, you will click on reinstall. This is going to verify the integrity of the files and just fix any issues that you may have with Life360. And if it still doesn't work for some reason, the last thing that I can suggest doing is checking your internet connection. So if you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, try switching over to mobile data. And if you're using mobile data, try connecting to a Wi-Fi network. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.